Well, good afternoon to the both of you. This is really a legal question that is now being all worked out. This all surrounds the question of whether or not a third-degree murder charge will be added to this case. The judge deciding that he would wait to hear more from the appellate court and try and get some answers before moving forward with jury selection.
Like, we have jurors, but I think realistically we're not going to get to any jury selection. We won't have an answer until at least tomorrow.
An appellate court late last week said the trial judge erred by tossing the third-degree murder charge. Right now, Chauvin, seen in the courtroom today in a suit and tie, is charged with second-degree murder and second-degree manslaughter in the death of George Floyd. His attorney plans on appealing the third-degree murder charge to the state Supreme Court. The judge wanted to move on with jury selection while the appeal made its way through the system. Prosecutors, without any objections from the defense, however, asked for a delay until a final ruling on the charges made.
We are so concerned about proceeding today on an issue that may cause an appeal issue later that could result in the reversal of a conviction, that we are going to seek further direction from the appellate courts about whether the court can proceed, particularly with jury selection.
Regardless, demonstrations outside the courthouse continue. So far, they have remained peaceful, but last May, after video surfaced of Chauvin's violent arrest of George Floyd, protests didn't always remain that way. Several videos show Chauvin putting his knee on Floyd's neck for about 9 minutes. He kept it there even after Floyd was unconscious. He died a short time later, and soon Minneapolis was set on fire. While peaceful demonstrations spread across the country, so did some of the rioting and looting. The National Guard was called into several cities, including Chicago, to help restore peace.
What do we want?
The Minnesota National Guard is back in Minneapolis for the trial, and nearly every government building and police station are surrounded by fencing and barbed wire. Chauvin, if convicted of the most serious charge, could face up to 40 years in prison. His attorneys argue Floyd died from a mixture of drugs in his system and other health conditions.
Court is expected to get back into session around 1:30 this afternoon. We could get some answers on just how we will move forward then. We're live in Minneapolis. I'm Eric Rung, WGN News.